Ever feel like your brain is running on dial-up, even after a full night's sleep? You're not alone. So many of us, especially Gen Z, are battling a persistent fog, brain drain, and unexplained fatigue. This isn't just about needing another coffee, it's a symptom of deeper imbalances in a fast-paced, digitally driven world. Studies show a significant portion of Gen Z faces unique nutritional challenges, often leading to these very struggles. One major culprit behind this slump: a widespread deficiency in vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. Research indicates Gen Z is significantly more prone to vitamin D deficiency than older generations, largely due to increased indoor screen time. This isn't just about bone health. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in mood regulation, immune function, and cognitive sharpness. When levels dip, your brain literally struggles to stay bright and focused. Now, let's go deeper. Your brain, the command center, relies heavily on specific fats called omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These aren't just good fats, they are essential structural components of your brain's cell membranes. They actively reduce chronic inflammation, a silent enemy linked to mood disorders and cognitive decline, and supercharge neurotransmitter activity, boosting mood and focus. Beyond fats, protein is non-negotiable for sustained energy and mental clarity. It's the fundamental building block for muscle repair, hormone production, and, critically, for keeping you feeling full and focused. For Gen Z, who are increasingly health-conscious and driven by fitness, adequate protein intake is a major priority. But are you getting enough of the right kind of protein to truly thrive? Enter the cultural moment you've seen flooding your feeds: Fishwife-style tinned seafood. What was once a pantry staple is now a culinary statement, a Gen Z obsession driven by aesthetic branding, sustainability, and sheer convenience. But this isn't just about looking cool, it's about smart snacking that delivers serious nutritional punch. This trend is proof that healthy can be both delicious and highly desirable. Let's spotlight the star, the humble sardine. These tiny powerhouses are packed with omega-3s, significantly reducing inflammation and supporting your brain and heart. But there's more. Sardines are an incredible source of vitamin D and calcium, with edible bones providing a natural, bioavailable boost for strong bones and nervous system function. Plus, they offer complete protein, keeping you satisfied and energized. Next up, the unexpected hero, salmon skin crisps. Far from waste, salmon skin is a treasure trove. It's bursting with omega-3s, even more concentrated than the flesh, directly fueling your brain and fighting inflammation. But here's the glow-up secret: it's incredibly rich in collagen and protein, essential for supple skin, strong joints, and healthy hair. Think of it as a savory, crunchy snack that literally helps you shine from the inside out. While supplements have their place, the synergistic matrix of nutrients in whole foods like sardines offers superior bioavailability. This means your body can absorb and utilize these vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids much more effectively when they come packaged naturally. You're not just getting isolated compounds, you're getting a symphony of nutrients working together for maximum impact. So, how do you incorporate these game changers? For sardines, try them on sourdough with chili crisp, lemon, and fresh herbs, a truly Fishwife moment. Pair them with fiber-rich foods for sustained energy. For salmon skin crisps, enjoy them as a crunchy snack on their own, or crumble them over salads for a textural and nutritional boost. Look for sustainably sourced brands packed in olive oil for the best quality and flavor. By integrating these nutrient-dense seafood snacks into your routine, you're not just following a trend, you're actively investing in your brain health, energy levels, and overall well-being. Say goodbye to the brain fog and embrace sustained focus, improved mood, and that undeniable glow. This is more than snacking, it's a lifestyle upgrade, scientifically backed and undeniably delicious. Get ready to feel the difference.